Today I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, indeed you're looking for Clapper app, or just click on search. Then here at Clapper, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.